Okay, so this is 2018 paper 1, question 1. So you have, when Sean joined a sales company, he was offered a choice of 2 different salary contracts. The details of the contracts are outlined in the table below. So contract A is 35,000 salary plus 2% commission on the total of his sales for the year. And then contract B is 30,000 but 3% commission on the total of his sales. So find out how much Sean would earn under each contract in a year where his total sales were 400,000. Okay, so his total sales are 400,000. So contract A. So he gets 2% of 400,000 on the contract A. So 2% multiplied by 400,000 to find out how much he would earn. And 2% of 400,000 is 8,000. So he has his salary, which is 35,000. Add to that the 8,000. And under contract A, he could in a year on 400,000 sales earn 43,000. Okay? So that's contract A. So how much would he get under contract B for the same amount? So again, this time it's 3% multiplied by 400,000. And on this he would earn 12,000 euros. Then you have your starting salary, which is 30,000. Add to that the 12,000. And under contract B, for the same amount of time, he would also earn 43,000. Okay? So no matter what he did there, he was going to earn, 42,000. So he'd earn 42,000 under that one. So he'd earn 1,000 less. Okay? 43,000 under that one, 42,000 under that one. Another employee, Mary, she earned 50,000 in a particular year. She is on contract A. So find out her total sales for the year. Okay? So we have Mary earned 50,000. We know that on contract A, the yearly salary is 35,000. So take that out. And what you're left with is the amount of money she earned from her commission. So when you take that away, you are left with 15,000. Right? Now to find out how much she earned here, to find out the money, we had 2% multiplied by the sales. Okay? The percentage multiplied by the sales gave you the earning.
Can I use your computer to just use words I can write the things?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Your mommy's computer has it as well. So you can use either of them. Okay, so 15,000. To find out the money, you would multiply the sales by the percentage. But here we already know the money, so to find out the sales, you simply do the opposite. You divide by the percentage. Okay? So it's 15,000 divided by 2%. And when you divide, and don't forget to put in the percent sign, it's really important. When you divide 15,000 by 2%, you get 750,000. So that is how much she sold in that year. Okay? Now this one. Find the total sales where you would earn the same amount. So what you want is here, this is your algebra. You're going to put one side equal to the other side and work it down like an XY equation. So you have on one side, this contract, 35,000 plus 2% of the sales. Now we don't know what the sales is. That's what we're trying to find out. So our sales is represented by the letter X. So plus 2% X is the same as this one, 30,000 plus 3% of x. Okay? So all you have to do is find out what x is. And we're going to start the way we start with anything we want to get x on its own. So I'm going to take that 30,000 from there. And whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side of the equation. Remember, always whatever you do to one side, you do to the other side. So we're left here with 5,000 plus 2% of x equals, that's gone, so 3% of x. Back to annoying me. Check the focus.
It's always fine.
Oh, it has effed up before, that's why one of the things
I know.
are totally wrong.
It's fine every time.
Okay, so now you have that 5,000 plus 2% is equal to 2% x is equal to 3% x. So I don't want that there. So I'm going to take away 2% x from that side. Whenever you do to one side, you always do to the other side.
Always.
So you're left with 5,000. The percentage is gone, is equal to 3% take away 2% is 1% x. Okay? So now, to find out what x is, and now don't let the look of it put you off, it's still the same way. We're going to divide by what's in front of x. So we're going to divide here by 1%. Don't forget to put your percentage sign into the calculator when you're doing this. And divide this side by 1%. And 5,000 divided by 1% will give you 500,000 equals 1% divided by 1% is just x, or 1x if you want. Okay, so that's your answer. 500,000 is what x is equal to. So it's just like any other thing where you have x here and x here. Get your numbers on one side, your x on the other side, and then just divide by whatever's in front of the x. Okay?